Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazfit GTS 4 Mini. First, ensure your new smartwatch is fully charged, which typically takes about 2 hours. Next, download the Zepp app onto your smartphone and create a user account. Then, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your watch via Bluetooth. This crucial step connects your device, allowing for seamless data transfer and full feature access right from the start. Navigating your Amazfit GTS 4 Mini is intuitive. Swipe down from the main watch face to quickly access essential settings and view incoming notifications. Swiping up reveals your daily activity data, including steps taken and calories burned, along with other health metrics. To browse through various widgets such as heart rate, weather, or PAI score, simply swipe left or right. A single press of the physical side button will open your full app list or take you back to the watch face. Your Amazfit GTS 4 Mini is a powerful health and fitness companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate, providing valuable insights into your cardiovascular health. The watch also tracks your sleep, detailing light, deep, and REM stages for better rest understanding. With over 120 built-in sports modes, you can accurately record nearly any activity. Additionally, it measures blood oxygen saturation and stress levels, offering a holistic view of your well-being throughout the day. Personalize your Amazfit GTS 4 Mini to match your style and needs. Choose from hundreds of watch faces available in the Zepp app to refresh your look daily. Set up smart notifications to receive alerts for calls, messages, and various app updates directly on your wrist, ensuring you never miss important information. You can also configure alarms and reminders, and even control your phone's music playback, all conveniently from your watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.